Hello all and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 6 reasons why you should eat avocados. So avocados are a source of key nutrients including healthy fats and fiber. They also contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds and may help reduce heart disease risk. Nutritious, versatile and delicious avocados have become a kitchen staple in many homes around the world. These are native to Mexico and Central America, but they are cultivated in many areas of the world, including North America. And these foods are an important part of traditional Mexican, Central American and South American cuisine and are used in dishes like salads, tacos and many more. So avocados are extremely popular in the health because they are highly nutritious and have been linked to several health benefits. So here are 6 reasons why you should eat avocados. The number 1 reason, it is an excellent source of nutrients like fat, protein, carbs and fiber. In the vitamins, it contains vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K and B vitamins. It also contains some minerals like magnesium, potassium, copper and manganese. So avocados are rich in nutrients that are often lacking in many people's diets, including magnesium, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E and folate. Here is the second one reason. It is beneficial for gut health. Avocados are high in fiber, providing about 14 grams in each avocado. Getting enough fiber in your diet is essential for health of the digestive system because it helps promote the growth of healthy bacteria. Additionally, the avocado group had more of bacteria, all of which produce short-chain fatty acids including butyrate. And these short-chain fatty acids help fuel colon cells and protect against diseases like colorectal cancer and inflammatory bowel disease. Also, keep in mind that all fiber-containing foods, including fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds, are important for gut health. The most important factor in supporting digestive health is eating a variety of fiber-containing foods, not just avocados. Now here is the reason number 3. Avocados may help reduce heart disease risk factors. Regularly consuming nutrient-dense foods like avocados could help protect against heart disease. The vitamins, minerals, healthy fats and fiber found in avocados all play a role in keeping the cardiovascular system healthy. Nonetheless, avocados may help in increasing heart protective HDL cholesterol and in decreasing the levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol. Additionally, the high potassium and magnesium content of avocados is beneficial for blood pressure regulation. Now here is the reason number 4. It is a rich source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. In addition to vitamins, minerals, healthy fats and fiber, avocados are packed with bioactive compounds including carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin E and phenolic compounds. These substances have been shown to have significant antioxidant, neuroprotective and cardioprotective activities. Because avocados are high in antioxidants, regularly eating avocados may help increase the body's antioxidant defenses. So here is the reason number 5. It may help promote a healthy body weight. Although there are multiple factors that influence weight, following a nutritious and balanced diet is perhaps most important when it comes to reaching and maintaining a healthy body weight, which is critical for disease prevention. And avocados are high in calories. They are packed with nutrients and help promote satiety, thanks to their high fiber and healthy fat content. So now here is the number 6 and the final reason. It is a smart choice during pregnancy and breastfeeding. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, nutrient demands significantly increase. These nutrients are folate, potassium, and vitamin C. Folate needs increase significantly during pregnancy. Eating avocados can also help you reach the recommended intake levels for nutrients that are needed in greater amount during pregnancy and breastfeeding, like vitamin C, potassium, and B6. Additionally, the high fiber content of avocados may help prevent constipation, which is extremely common during pregnancy. So these are the 6 best reasons to eat avocados to avail all the possible benefits. So this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. See you soon.